gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Right out of the gate, the Red Magic 11 Air makes a bold first impression. It shows up with a refreshed design, built-in active cooling, massive battery endurance, and top-tier performance. Even though it carries the Air name, there's nothing lightweight about its specs. It brings together almost everything you'd want and need in a gaming phone. It's the kind of device that not only makes you say I love you at the start of a new year, but actually means it. Today, we're diving into this strong early contender that blends standout personality with impressive value, the Red Magic 11 Air. Red Magic has always been known for designs that feel premium and instantly recognizable, and with the 11 Air, that identity evolves into something even more futuristic. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The entire lineup embraces a transparent style body, drawing inspiration from multiple elements: the sleek curves of an F1 racetrack, the refined grooves of a vinyl record, and geometric compositions reminiscent of Montgomery-inspired aesthetics. The result is a look that feels technological, structured, and visually striking all at once. The starry white version I'm holding perfectly showcases this approach. With its clean white base and subtle silver gray logo, the color combination feels elegant and minimal without looking plain. The body measures just 7.85mm thick, pairing a curved glass back with a flat, right-angled frame. Visually, it looks slim and sharp, yet in the hand it feels comfortable and well-balanced. Of course, the iconic RGB lighting is still here. Both the logo and the cooling fan area light up and shift colors depending on the scene, dialing up the esports vibe and adding that extra sense of occasion every time you game. On the front, you're getting a flawless full-screen experience. No punch holes, no notches. The display features subtle micro-arc corners and ultra-slim bezels, giving you a completely uninterrupted view, whether you're watching movies or just scrolling through their daily content. With 144Hz refresh rate, everything feels fluid and incredibly responsive. It already supports native 144Hz high frame modes for titles like Honor of Kings, League of Legends Mobile, and PUBG Mobile, along with full 144Hz system-level adaptation. But at the heart of any true gaming phone is the processor. The combination of the Snapdragon 8 Elite and the Red Star R4 gaming chip delivers serious power. Whether you're unleashing skill combos in intense MOBA team fights, reacting instantly in high-pressure FPS battles, or navigating massive open-world environments, this setup handles it all effortlessly. The responsiveness and smoothness are exactly what you'd hope for from a performance-focused device. And the real story isn't just about peak frame rates, it's about stability. In Honor of Kings, running ultra graphics with the highest frame rate enabled, the phone holds a rock-solid 144 frames per second for a full 30 minutes of continuous gameplay. It doesn't just hit the numbers, it sustains them comfortably. If you want to squeeze out even more performance, you can fine-tune settings through the Cube Energy Cube and enable Awakening mode. That unlocks an even smoother, more aggressive performance profile for those who want to push things to the limit. When it comes to demanding games like Genshin Impact, the upgraded SE Magic cooling system really proves its value. Even after extended sessions, the phone feels warm at most, never uncomfortably hot, so you can keep playing without worrying about overheating. For FPS fans playing titles like PUBG Mobile, the 520Hz shoulder triggers are a game changer. With some of the fastest trigger response speeds in the industry, they give you a real advantage in close-range encounters. It almost feels like you've unlocked a physical cheat code. These days, the gap in average frame rates between flagship phones is getting smaller and smaller. What truly defines a smooth experience now isn't just how high the frame rate goes, but how stable it remains, especially during intense lower frame moments. And that's exactly where the Red Magic 11 Air stands out. The Red Magic 11 Air really stands out with its class-leading 1% low frame drop rate, which means visuals stay smooth and steady even during intense team fights or fast scene changes. The result is gameplay that feels more stable and fluid overall. When it comes to high frame rate audio, it already supports Honor of Kings and League of Legends, while several other titles, including Peacekeeper Elite, offer native 144Hz support. Games like Triangle Action and Unintentional Westward Journey are also set to receive optimization soon. Basically, most popular games can fully take advantage of this high refresh display. As a longtime pioneer in phone air cooling tech, Red Magic has managed to pack its signature cooling expertise into this slim body. Inside the Red Magic 11 Air is the pre-wind 4.0 cooling fan, capable of spinning non-stop at speeds up to 24,000 RPM. This works together with an aviation-grade air duct bracket and an extra-thick ice-sealed VC cooling plate. In real-world use, even after long gaming sessions, the phone only feels slightly warm. It doesn't become uncomfortably hot, even when you're charging and playing at the same time. Getting this level of cooling in such a thin design really makes it hard to choose between performance and portability, because here, you don't have to. Battery life is another area where the Red Magic 11 Air delivers peace of mind. It packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery and supports 120-watt Magic Flash fast charging. In actual testing, it went from 25% to 100% in just 43 minutes. That's fast enough that carrying a power bank starts to feel unnecessary. It also supports bypass charging in all situations, so when you're gaming while plugged in, power goes directly to the system instead of the battery. This helps keep temperatures down and also protects long-term battery health. Even during heavy gaming, battery anxiety basically disappears. On the software side, the Red Magic 11 Air runs Realme Magic OS 11, delivering a smoother overall experience. The system focuses on a clean, straightforward design with almost no pre-installed third-party apps and zero annoying ad notifications. Whether you're gaming or just using the phone day to day, everything feels refreshingly pure. Over the past couple of years, AI has become a major focus across the industry, and Red Magic has taken a practical approach with its gaming-focused AI features. Beyond standard smart services, AI is deeply integrated into gameplay. For example, the AI circle search isn't just handy for everyday info. If you come across an unfamiliar hero in a game, you can simply circle it and instantly get a clear explanation. Even cooler is the AI tactical coach, which lets you talk strategy and discuss gameplay, almost like having a virtual teammate on standby. All in all, the Red Magic 11 Air is a smart blend of adding what matters and trimming what doesn't. It keeps the Air series' slim and lightweight feel while delivering all the core features gamers actually care about. It strikes a clear balance between portability and performance, staying true to Red Magic's reputation for power while making meaningful upgrades in design, cooling, battery life, and software experience. If you're someone who wants a comfortable in-hand feel without sacrificing serious gaming capability, the Red Magic 11 Air could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, that wraps up my review of the Red Magic 11 Air. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.